Hey, what's up guys? Gary Walker here with LiveAnabolic.com. I'm super excited to share this new series that we just launched, Ripped in 6, all right? So basically 6-minute workouts you can do at home to get ripped in only 6 minutes. All you need is a set of dumbbells, all right? So I'm gonna be doing a chest workout, bicep workout, shoulder workout, back workout, abs, obliques, even a full body workout that you can do at home, all in 6 minutes. So definitely make sure you check all these videos out. Okay, so before you get started, I'm gonna show you how to set up your 6-minute Ripped in 6 workout, all right? Basically what you're gonna do, I'm giving you 4 different exercises, all gonna be done in a giant set. What we're doing is 37 seconds of each exercise, so you are gonna wanna get a Tabata app on your phone, okay? That's the simplest way to do it. You're gonna actually do 2 rounds. So what we're doing, 37 seconds, no rest in between the next exercise, no rest between the 3rd or the 4th. Immediately after you've done your 4th exercise, you're gonna go straight back to the first one and do it again for round 2, all right? And that's gonna take you roughly 5 minutes. What you're gonna do with that last minute is a finisher, all right? I'm gonna include a finisher at the end of every one of these group sets, and it's an all-out finisher. Go as hard as you can, fast as you can. Just make sure you're utilizing strict form so you don't injure yourself. But that being said, let's get started. All right, man, now that you know how to set this up, we're gonna get started and go straight into your back workout, all right? Make sure you have your Tabata app ready, and we're gonna start with a dumbbell pull over. Make sure your elbows are flared out. Hit start.
Starting your Tabata workout.
And let's get ready to go.
Exercise.
Really focus on contracting those lats at the top. Good stretch at the bottom. Good contraction at the top.
Exercise.
All right, straight into a dumbbell row. We'll start on the right side. On the dumbbell row, make sure you're driving the weight up with your elbow, all right? All elbow. Don't curl the weight up using your bicep. Drive your elbow up to the top using your lats.
Exercise.
All right, we're gonna go straight into your left side. Let's get this over here. Same thing, good full range of motion, good stretch, good contraction. All elbow. We're gonna go from here into a dumbbell deadlift.
Exercise.
All right. Hinge at the hips. About to go into round 2. Back into your dumbbell pullover.
Exercise.
All right. Really drive again. Drive that elbow. Hammer those lats.
Exercise.
All right. Other side. If you notice, my grip is relaxed. That takes out a lot of the momentum. Almost done, guys. Back to a dumbbell deadlift after this, and then we'll get into our finisher.
Exercise.
All right. Again, deadlifts, hinge at the hips. Really focus. And the finisher is gonna be dumbbell shrugs. A lot of people do shrugs with shoulders, but I like to do them to really hit that upper back with traps.
Cool down.
All right, many shrugs as you can for a minute. If you need to take a breather, rest them, shake them out if you need to, but keep on as much as you can. Almost. All right. Woo. All right, guys, that's it. Another killer 6-minute workout. As you can see, it doesn't take long, but it's very intense. So guys, good luck with it. Get busy, get after it, and God bless.